I'm so excited to be present here today and to bring to everyone the trailer of Pudum Pudai Kale Vidyata to everyone. During these really difficult times, the only thing that has helped us feel connected are stories, sharing them, listening to them, telling them. And this show is our endeavor to find an even deeper connection with our viewers through stories. Pudum Pudu Kale was Amazon Prime Video's first Tamil anthology that told stories of love, friendship, hope, family, and joy set in the first lockdown of the pandemic. And following the remarkable success of the first edition, we are incredibly excited to follow through with a beautiful second edition in Pudum Pudu Kale Vidyata. It deepens the narrative of positivity, it makes it more personal and showcases the power of human spirit and connection in these really challenging times.
Wonderful. Beautifully said. And when I hear you speak about these emotions and what you've really created together, I cannot wait to see the trailer. But before that, we'd like to, of course, welcome these 5 wonderful directors who've been such a large part in bringing these stories together, without whom this wonderful anthology would not have been possible. So please join me in welcoming Balaji Mohan, director of Muga Kavasamuttam, Halita Shamim, director of Loners, Madhumita, director of Mauname Parvayai, Richard Anthony, director of Nidal Tarum Idam, and Surya Krishna, director of The Mask. Thank you so much for joining us on the trailer launch of Pudum Pudu Kale Vidyata. But before we unveil the trailer, for which we're all gathered here this afternoon, I'd like to pose one question to all of you. What inspired each and every one of you to tell a story in these unprecedented times? Let's begin with you, Balaji.
Hi everybody, a quick hello to all the people present in the event. A lot of familiar faces, a lot of people whose work I admire. And ellarukkum vanakkam, and vanakkam to the press and media and to Bhavna and to Aparna as well. Obviously, in these times, we've all gotten by the lockdown times by finding hope and a little bit of happiness in tough times. It's kept us, through the lockdown. And நம்ம கதைகள் obviously நம்ம ரியாலிட்டியை வந்து ரிஃப்ளெக்ட் பண்ணணும். ஸோ வந்து ஆப்வியஸ்லி இருக்கிற கஷ்டங்களை வந்து கம்ப்ளீட்டா ஒதுக்கி வச்சுட்டு மறைச்சு வச்சுட்டு ஒரு கதையை பண்ண முடியாது. பட் அதே சமயத்துல அதுலயே மூழ்கி போயிடாம, அதுலயே வந்து மனசு உடைஞ்சிடாம, அதுல வந்து எப்படி ஒரு சில்வர் லைனிங் அண்ட் ஒரு ஹாப்பினஸையும் ஒரு ஹோப்பையும் கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது அப்படிங்கிறது தான், அதை சொல்றதுதான் ஒரு ஆர்டிஸ்ட் அண்ட் ஒரு ஃபில்ம் மேக்கரோட பொறுப்புன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். And these kind of stories, when people see it and relate it to their lives and find themselves in these stories, nothing better than that. And I was very happy to have had this opportunity to tell this story of mine along with these other filmmakers and wonderful artists, and for a platform that will take it to all over the world to see லாக்டவுன் டைம்ல இந்தியா அண்ட் தமிழ்நாடு வந்து எப்படி இருந்தது, அதுல இருக்கிற ஜனங்களும் மக்களும் வந்து எப்படி இந்த கஷ்டத்துலயும் வந்து நம்பிக்கையும் சந்தோஷத்தையும் பார்த்தாங்க அப்படிங்கிற அந்த கதையை வந்து உலகம்புற கொண்டு போய் சேர்க்கறதுக்கு இது ஒரு அற்புதமான பிளாட்ஃபார்மா இருந்துச்சு. அண்ட் ஐ வாஸ் வெரி ஹாப்பி டு பி பார்ட் ஆஃப் திஸ்.
ஃபேண்டாஸ்டிக் பாலாஜி, நீங்க வந்து குறுகிய காலத்துல சூப்பரான கதைகள் சொல்லியிருக்கீங்க அப்படின்னு எல்லாருக்குமே தெரியும். And we cannot wait to watch your story. Halita?
எனக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கிறது என்னன்னா, லைக் ரொம்ப ரெலவெண்டான ஸ்டோரி என்னால் சொல்ல முடிஞ்சது அப்படின்னு தான். ஏன்னா லைக் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லாக்டவுன் மாதிரி இல்லைல்ல, இட் வாஸ் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லாக்டவுன் வந்து இட் வாஸ் அபவுட்.
I feel like we've lost her. I'm not able to hear Halita. Halita? Obviously, we will go through some technical difficulties, as we all know when we do shows like these. Let's come back to Halita. We'll probably move ahead to Madhumita. You can hear us?
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, what inspired you to tell a story?
Hi Bhavna. Hi everyone. Wish you a happy new year. I think lockdown, if it taught us one thing, or this pandemic, if it taught us one thing, it is that communication is key. அது வந்து நம்ம வீட்ல இருக்கிறவங்களுக்கும் சரி, வெளியே இருக்கிறவங்களுக்கும் சரி, and the communication is what kept us going throughout this 2 years of very difficult times. And that was the idea behind Mauname Parvayai also, and to tell a story that's about communication. And it's a pleasure to be part of this anthology from Amazon Prime. And I think it's a very exciting 5 directors who I've had an opportunity to be a part of this. So thank you very much. And I can't wait for everybody to see the 5 films.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Madhumita. Over to you, Richard.
Hi, Bhavna. Hi, everyone. So what inspired me is, I think, lockdown, I think every house has a lot of stories during lockdown. I think it has different emotions going through a lot of people. And there's one particular emotion or one particular topic that I want to discuss in this, because that was very relevant for me during this pandemic. And so I somewhere found that the short format also helped me to actually, work that way. And it's more like an internal journey, and it kind of, pandemic helps as an extension of what my lead character goes through. So it kind of helped me to, do this here. So I'm excited with this. I'm really looking forward to see how it's being received.
Fantastic. I'm sure every household will agree with you, Richard, that they went through a certain journey themselves during the pandemic, during the first and the second phase, of course. We're really looking forward to seeing your story come alive. Next up, Surya, your thoughts. Surya, I think you'll need to unmute yourself if you haven't done so before.
Yeah.
Hi.
What inspired me to make this movie is that, first of all, making this movie itself was an inspiration. First time getting on board with all these other directors and good cast, and being one in the screen is itself inspiring, first of all. And to get the story right, everyone went through a tough lockdown, I'd say. At least I went through a tough lockdown. A lot of people went through.
I did too.
Yeah, so it was like more of the openings of whatever you feel like, what's this universe, and then second lockdown, what happened. So it was more mellowed down, and people started interacting a lot. And in the lockdown, how people interact between themselves, and how a connection was made, how I felt that during the second lockdown, how I could bring that into the story is what I looked into. So yeah, somewhere some people get connected, and that's what we try to do in this film.
Fantastic. A transition from the first lockdown to the second lockdown and the emotions that we all went through. Fabulous. I think Halita is back. So we'll just pose that question to you once again, Halita, as to what was the motive behind wanting to tell this story during these times?
Actually, இது கதை சொல்கிறதே இப்போ ஒரு பெரிய விஷயமா இருந்தது. ஏன்னா லைக் என்னால் இன்னுமே எழுத முடியுது, இன்னும் நம்ம ஃபங்க்ஷனலாக இருக்கோன்னு எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்ட விஷயமா இருந்தது. ஸோ அது இல்லாமல் இந்த படமே வந்து லைக் இப்போ நடக்கிற இந்த கால் மாதிரி தான். லைக் we are all alone but together in this video call இல்லை. ஸோ நாங்கள் எது சேலஞ்சிங்காக இருந்ததுன்னா லைக் நம்ம திரும்ப அதை நாங்கள் ஷூட் போகும்போது லாக்டவுன் முடிஞ்சிருச்சுன்னா ஓகே அண்ட் வீல் ஹாவ் டு ரீக்ரியேட் இட். அந்த விஷயங்கள் எல்லாமே ரீக்ரியேட் பண்ணுறதும் சரி, அதுவும் ப்ளஸ் இந்த ஸ்கொயர்ஸ் இருக்கு இல்லையா, இந்த ஸ்கொயர்ஸ், இந்த ஜூம் ஸ்கொயர்ஸ் இருக்குல்ல, இதில் இருக்க மக்கள் இவங்க ரியாக்ஷன்ஸ் இது எல்லாமே வந்து லைக் எங்கள் படத்தில் லைக் அதை பண்ணது தான் வந்து எங்கள் லுக் கொடுக்கணும், அந்த மாதிரிலாம் வந்து ரொம்ப இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்காக இருந்தது. அண்ட் யா,
You know, they always say life comes a full circle. Anna, in the pandemic, life comes a full square, because that's what technology has done to all of us. Yeah. So we've heard from our fantastic 5 directors as to what really prompted them and inspired them to put together these wonderful stories. But now, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, presenting to you this lovely anthology, Putham Pudu Kalai Vidiyada. This anthology's trailer, the first look is here for all of us to witness stories of hope, love, despair, and a lot more. Let's take a look.